Manipur Pollution Control Board says 4 plastic collection centres each in 5 valley districts to curb the manage of plastic pollution will be opened soon. Conflict Widow Forum stays sit-in demanding justice for victims of fake encounter cases in front of Manipur Press Club today. And Blue Wings Malom takes children of 12 children homes for outing. Chief Secretary Suresh Babu calls on need for extra attention for the children's brighter future. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news till this hour. First up, Manipur Pollution Control Board will soon open 4 plastic collection centres each in 5 valley districts of Manipur with an intent to curb the manage of plastic pollution in Imphal Valley. This was stated by Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore at the launch of a summer camp in connection with World Environment Day organized by Global Foundation for Sustainable Future on the theme Beat Plastic Pollution at Khairanban Ima Market today. Speaking further, L. Radhakishore said the proposed plastic collection centre in the 5 valley district will collect plastic waste. He said individual collecting plastic waste will be given 9 rupees to 13 rupees per kg of plastic waste. He is hopeful that the initiative will curb pollution of lakes, rivers, drainages and other areas with plastic waste to a great extent. The chairman of MPCB appealed to the public to cooperate and extend assistance to the endeavour.
Environment, aikogi prakriti ase asi problem thokta masibu aikoina karamna ngakpi gadege karamna control tawgadege haibadugi anai fadaba tanja amaga sei asi world sida lai hana ya thamjage eriba society sida masibu users singa sida apta warpa loina aikoina masi alternative laita plastic bag carry bag singa se koi pen to matunga masigi alternative mai ko sina na baga sai biodegradable hoiba tunggadaba
Korean Bikok Students Union and Club KSUC carried out a cleanliness drive as a part of Swachh Bharat Summer Internship Program at Korean Bikok in Thoubal district today. Speaking to media person, Secretary of KSUC, Surchan Usham stated that the cleanliness drive was carried out in connection with the upcoming World Environment Day on June 5th. He said the main objective of the drive is to raise awareness on cleanliness, preservation and protection of a natural environment and to control air and water pollution posing threat to health. Surchan also appealed to all to participate in the World Environment Day observance and the painting competition to be jointly organized by Reformist Students Front RSF and KSUC at Kairen Bikok Hilok on June 5th. Participants in the cleanliness drive also took place to maintain cleanliness. National Students Union of India NSUI Manipur State Unit will organize an essay competition in connection with World Environment Day on June 5th at noon in Congress Bhavan, BT Road. In a press release, the president of NSUI Manipur State informed that interested students from class 11 to college level can take part in the essay competition on the topic Elaborate Plastic Pollution, Causes, Effects and Solution in not less than 5 points each. Reformist Students Front RSF in the press release informed that 3 saplings will be planted in different places of the state in connection with World Environment Day on June 5th. RSF also appealed to the concerned department to look into the illegal clearing of red soil from reserve forest areas and felling of large scales of trees in order to save the environment. Conflict Widow Forum stays a sit-in demanding justice for the victims killed in fake encounter cases by Indian Army and state forces in Manipur today. Various slogans were chanted demanding justice during the sit-in stays at the gate of Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media person, convener of Conflict Widow Forum, Kongkham Gangarani, alleged the CBI of delaying justice to victims of fake encounter cases. She drew the attention of the relevant authority and the government of Manipur to the inconveniences faced by the widows and surviving family members of the victims and appealed to file a charge sheet for the cases at the Supreme Court and deliver justice to the victims at the earliest.
Case listing among Sanga Kunipan si Sumina Sum Tinta than a Sum Labor Targadi, Sahi, case Yamda Sahim, the case Mangaka Padoko, Sahi Sahumena Sangin, Maramdina, CBI in the Supreme Court, Tubomatam, that Kogi starts the Talapiduna, Kogi, Awana Taraba, Imusing, Kogi, Justice Pangriba, victim or family sings there. Says that Kogi Atubomatam, that Kogi Justice, like Kogi, Kanosa, Pangam Tokahak, Kogi rights, a Pangan view. Case listing among Sanga Kunipan.
JSC All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidates of Police Constable Male 2016. K. Jayantha batch stays a sit-in urging non-declaration of 2013 Manipur Police Constable recruitment result and demanded revival of 2016 Manipur Police Constable recruitment. Taking part in the sit-in stays at Kishampat Lairenbi Community Hall today, Joint Secretary of the JSC Y. Kiran termed the efforts to declare the 2013 DPC rejected earlier for misconducts by the government as unfortunate. He asserted that any efforts to reject the ethically conducted recruitment examination of 2016 will not be accepted. He urged the government to take appropriate action against the chairman and board members who are trying to revive the 2013 DPC and further warned of intense agitations if the government acts against their desires.
Aran mana pik thanna yauri haidana inquiry commission lama semaga thigal laba matungda answer script double lairami haidana kaktat pikhraga 2016 da re-recruitment pangthoaga anouba chairman hapaga DPC tawdana Baiba Pova Lucian Garba Matunda, Haujik Haido and Miku Karasida, 2016 BSC, Kak E Hibasi, Igoi, Joint Action Committee na Yabangamoy. Matamda, Shi Graba, DPC Bona Haujik Amaka Hingale, Karisu Asoiba, Aranba, Karigumba, Amabo Yau, Dava DPC, Asina Kakta Pibase, Masi Commission report as Iguina Yazabangamoy.
Joint Observation Committee of All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO and United Committee Manipur UCM cleaned the memorial sites of the martyrs at Kekrupat in connection with the 17th Great June Uprising Unity Day on 18th of this month today. It may be mentioned that 18 martyrs sacrificed their lives in the people's movement to protect the integrity of Manipur on June 18, 2001. The day has been observed as the Great June Uprising Unity Day every year since then to honor them by offering floral tributes. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar has stated that ministers of the state held an in-depth 3-hour discussion yesterday regarding the inability to avail various centers and state-sponsored welfare scheme by the genuine beneficiaries. Yumnam Joykumar was speaking at the free LPG connection distribution ceremony for beneficiary of Uripur constituency under Ujwala scheme organized by Lamshang Gas Agency at Nauranthong Community Hall today. Speaking further, the Deputy Chief Minister said lack of awareness about the schemes among the beneficiaries has hindered in availing the benefits. He said people's representatives from various places were called on to take responsibility in ensuring these welfare schemes to the beneficiary at the meeting held yesterday. 40 beneficiaries were provided free LPG connection on the occasion.
Schemes beneficiary may have been another school schemes I am public na awareness like the I am Ramasi Kudum Jamse, Lobo Pande, other benefit may have seen soup from the Anamaka. Sikarai, Siki schemes, Kanano, Karai, and Tokodo, Siki Maricumna, Kanada, Basuma Kanda, Koto, Mayam, Lavidini, number of the Quena, go to the village, Anatoko, people representative when a lagiva, Musinga, Kananchu, a great discussion to it, home to be a great discussion to it. Discussions that we have to people representative for the land of the campus in Ladiba, Magi Kendra, the Salaga, the Sagi, Sumale, Chile, and see awareness, but she has appeared.
One-day health camp was held in relation with the first anniversary of Bat Rock of Recovery, a treatment facility center for substance abuse and substance dependent persons today. The medical camp held at the complex of Bedrock of Recovery in Meitei Langol, Punsilo was conducted in collaboration with Directorate of Health Services, State Health Mission and Medical and Sales Representative Association of Manipur MSRA under the supervision of Medical Superintendent Jenims Dr. L. Ranbir. Speaking to media person, founder of Bedrock Recovery, Aribam Bijoy Krishna said, health issue is one of the major inconveniences facing the inmates of the center. He hoped that the health camp conducted today will ease some of their plight. Over 180 individuals, including present and past inmates of Bedrock Recovery and people in the area, attended the camp.
Sumana koina marak magta koina rehab center singda ayakna akogi MNP gi desu akoidum sinjai atei jaga atei desu marak magta dum moigi akogi medical and sales representative association of Manipur ga pullaga khusannaraga akogi director health service tagi hidak mayam du khar lojaraga akoina marak magta dum sinjai masi akoina sahi imda ni umlak akoi tawang amjabase aigidi agoi am phabani aduga mayam gi seba tawang amjabase nungai jaba pongjei na ina pongdukchani.
A free medical camp was held at Purum Sadhugram village in Kundrakmum constituency in celebration of 4 years completion of NDA government at the centre and 1 year completion of BJP-led government in the state today. The camp was jointly organized by Vice President BJP Manipur Pradesh Kishan Morcha Dr. K.S.H. Kala and President of BJP Kundrakmum Mandal S.H. Nanda Meitei. Free BP sugar and ECG tests were conducted to over 100 persons and free medicines were also distributed at the camp. One-day free Ayush health camp with an aim to ensure healthy society was held at Uripok, Polen, Laikai today. 9 doctors and 18 staff of Ayurveda, homeopathy, yoga and naturopathy checked off around 200 individuals at the health camp. Free blood glucose test was conducted and free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF in a press release stated that mere assurances given by the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister of Manipur and political parties will not protect the inner and outer territory of Manipur. MPDF asserted that only when Manipur is given the status of Article I enshrined in the Indian Constitution, the territorial integrity of Manipur can be protected. A WhatsApp group named We Support ILP held a discussion meet today. The group resolved to object any grant of permission to outsiders for buying estates in the soon to be constituted Protection of Manipur People's Bill by the state government. Convener of We Support ILP WhatsApp group, Sapamcha Jadumani, warned of facing the proposed bill if it is constituted against the desire of people of the state. He maintained that the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 is being implemented in Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Jadumani questioned as to why the act is not enforced in Manipur when it is being enforced in the 3 states of northeast India.
Karigumba bill Sembataraba, bill Sembataragadi, Hauji, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Sanariba, system say, Masiki, Manungi, Masak, Kudingmak, Yahon Migida, Parmi system Hiraganda, Sumna Haktaki, Mitop, Sangakpa, Si, Tingba, Natragana with the Pasama Piba, Adu Haktanati Habasima, I may am the Tamjake, Maramdi, Parmi system Juki Manung, the Yauriba, education sector, da, employment sector, da, business sector, da, Tongan sector, Maya, the Parmi system to Manung, the Piri Masak Singdo, Sune Yahon view.
An outing camp entertainment event for children in 12 children homes were organized by Blue Wings Malom today. The children were taken to Shilaipung Garden in Laimakong Mapal, Lamlai. The trip was held as a part of the 2nd edition of a program by Blue Wings known as Powerhouse of Event entitled Hope for Angels on the theme A Heart for Care and Giving. Taking part in the event, Chief Secretary of Government of Manipur, Dr. Suresh Babu, lauded initiatives of Blue Wings taken for the welfare of the orphans. He called on the need to give a due emphasis on these children for their bright future. He said he took part in the event organized by Blue Wings to contribute whatever he can for the children. Addressing media person in connection with the event, Managing Director of Blue Wings, K.H. Nisikant, said the event was organized with the intention to expose the children in the homes to the outside world in order to broaden their outlook and also to make them feel loved and cared for even by people outside the orphanages.
And let us see how to see that they go to good schools, see how to take care of their requirements and to focus on their career, and also financially how to support these organizations. I would like to have a very good interactive session. Maybe after 3-4 days I'll inform them. And let us see and do our best. You are doing your best, I know, but let me also put my hands together with you for the good cause of these children.
A Rongmei feature film entitled Ning Lang Mei was premiered at the Auditorium of Travel Research Institute at TRI in Chingmei today. The romantic and horror thriller is produced by John Kamei and directed by PG Ngamsinglung. The film production's crew members and actors were also presented with gifts on the occasion. CEO Tang Melong, Dinganglung Gangmei, Chairman Film Forum Manipur as Bangol Jiao, President Jet FFM, Star Kangmei and many film lovers of Rongmei community were present at the event. Langmeidong Mamang Laikai Citizen Club, LCC in Kakching District felicitated Tekcham James, who bagged the 4th position in Class 12 Arts Examination 2018 conducted by Kosam, and Jimik Yumnam, the 21st position holder in the recently declared HSLC Examination 2018 conducted by Bosam from Langmeidong village today. Jimik Yumnam is a student of Iramdam Mahikol, Langmeidong, while Tekcham James is a student of EK Higher Secondary School, Sangapham. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Dr. Yumnam Radisham said there can be no development in a society without education. He stressed the need for educated citizens to bring about a developed and a peaceful society. The minister also appealed to the adults to be an inspiration for the younger generations. Stated Surjakanta Irengbam, a student of the center who bagged 2nd position in the HSLC examination 2018 conducted by Bosam at the premises of the center in Kakwa Bazaar today. Students of the center who scored later marks in the class 10 and 12 examinations also accorded a warm reception at the center. Pradhan of Thongju Part 1, Thongam Lata, former editor of ISTB, K. Madhumangol, educationist, resource persons and parents of the students attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Thongwam Lata lauded the center for producing a portion holders and students with flying colors in their first year of establishment. She wished that the center continues to produce many outstanding students in the future. Lata also gave her best wishes in the future endeavors of the 2nd position holder, Surjakanta Irengbam.
Ngasigi laiba society asida samaj ama chakhot ke haragadi education gi mangal loiba yamna darka oi punamak akhoi overcome tawbangami aduga yamna su akhoi yam phajaba initiative amani haina I logjaningi matung tabadadi akhoi ju hojik leiriba 2nd position holder oi biriba Sujakantana mathang angi tuya parikhada 1st position lobagi aim tawbiu akhoi ju support tawjage matung tarapadasu adu sata horaiban harun Kutingmaksingasu tung the Lakadubi Mayamnasu, Atung Tarapada Sujakantagi, 2nd position, Chidagi Hena, 1st position, Lobangambagi, Honabiu.
Angau Basing Memorial Trust held a felicitation program for students under Chongangai Gram Panchayat who have passed in the 1st division in the recently declared Class 10 and 12 examination 2018 conducted by Bosam and Kosam respectively at the community hall of Taubungkhok Makhalekai today. The meritorious students were presented with Thongam Angau Basing Memorial Award 2018 on the occasion. President of the trust, Thongam Pulchan, said the program was conducted to appreciate and motivate the students under the Gram Panchayat for their achievements and undertakings in the field of education. He also announced a cash award of 50,000 rupees each to students securing the top 3 position of Bosam and Kosam examination from Changangai Gram Panchayat by the trust every year.
Angang sing asida makoy da kitang support amasu encourage to boyna tawjabani ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ 1ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 3ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ 12ꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯠꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ 50,000 ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯉꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯉꯩ ꯖꯤꯂꯥ ꯄꯔꯤꯁꯠꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯦ.
A felicitation program for meritorious students from nursery to class 12 of Namdolong village in Imphal East district was held at Namdolong Women's Society Hall today. The 29th Meritorious Award distribution ceremony was jointly organized by Namdolong Development Committee and Namdolong Youth Club. Councillor of Imphal Municipal Council, Ward number 26, Maibon Baupay, also presented cash award to 16th portion holder in the recently declared BOSAM HSLC examination 2018 Langkru Kangmei on the occasion. A press release jointly signed by Principal, Headmaster and Chairperson of Shikha Higher Secondary School in Chikanchipur informed that the recent controversy that led to an upheaval in the school environment has been resolved after reaching an understanding among school's management committee, staff, students and guardians during a meeting convened today. It also said normal classes will now resume in the school. Kanglipa Students Association KSA in the press release drew the attention of the relevant authority to set up a review committee and review education curriculum in the state to prevent creation of Indian myths to history. KSA maintained that an academic discourse will be held to check such educational limitation if the relevant authority fails to review the same. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Thangjam Arun, flagged off a cycle rally in connection with the World Bicycle Day from Western Gate of Kangla today. The rally on the theme Let's Ride and Make a Difference passed through various important areas of Imphal city and concluded at Sagolban. Speaking to media person, Thangjam Arun said cycling not only keeps environment pollution free but also helps in maintaining physical fitness. He expressed hope that the cycle rally will help in bringing about a change in the society. Now the sports news. A 6-month grassroots football coaching kicked off at the ground of TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy, TBSFA, Tawungkok today. 63 children ranging from 6 to 8 years, 9 to 12 years, 13 to 15 years, including 13 girls, are taking part in the coaching program organized by TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy, Tawungkok, under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. President of All Manipur Football Association S. Sanatomba, Executive Member H. Megachandra, Technical Chairman S. Amutombi and official of TBSFA distributed uniforms to the children on the occasion. Grassroots leader K. Samorjit, L. Devachandra, L. Lokendra, Mohammad Chauba and L. Premjit will provide the coaching classes. Speaking to media person, President of AMFA S. Sanatomba stated that AMFA has been conducting many grassroots football coaching under the aegis of All India Football Federation in different parts of the state and that similar coaching programs will be held at the 28 other places in the state to continue producing young and outstanding football players from the state.
Kerala Blasters ki ngang kuntra moina khalau pugi mamangda tata trasna ngang kul Manipuri khalau pugi East Bengal kapna Manipuri gi talent search tongni haibagi moisu ngang thiri aikoina grassroots level da ngang pi ngai level da gi koina training ball gi know how gi tamiramani na mapan da leba club sina Manipur si talent han gi mafam ma oire hajukti talent han to la ba kangu singna khalli ba si Manipur da sum akoina grassroots program si hogdokhi bidagi angang jing ta tongan ba impe ama piraga Manipur dagi yam talent leiba angang sing masing yam thokhi thoksu thorokini hena khali.
The coaching cum trial selection by All Manipur Powerlifting Association since May 10 at PBB PTC Kenshamthong Ilangom Laikai Lerak Achauba concluded today. Altogether, 30 players, including 6 girls selected from sub-junior boys and girls coaching, will take part in the sub-junior boys and girls National Powerlifting Championship under the aegis of Indian Powerlifting Federation at GMRIT College in Ranjan city of Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh from June 21st to 25th. The Manipuri team will leave for Andhra Pradesh on June 16, including team manager Borochan Konjengbam, team coaches W. Deveshwari and Mohan Laishram and E. Inao as official. On the other hand, selected players among the 36 boys and girls players in master category who took part in the coaching will participate in the National Masters Men's and Women's Powerlifting Championship at Kozhikode Indoor Stadium in Kerala from July 26 to 29. Adidas Telstar 18 will be the official match ball for the upcoming FIFA World Cup 2018 to be held from June 14 in Russia. The new Telstar 18 is a reimagining of the first Adidas FIFA World Cup match ball, the Telstar, which was used at the 1970 tournament in Mexico and European Football Championship in 1968 in Italy. The Telstar 18 pays homage to Telstar, which was named for his resemblance to the original Telstar communication satellite. The word Telstar is a combination of the words television and star. Forward Sports, a Pakistani company at Sialkot, manufactures the football and is available online at 7,373 rupees. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Pollution Control Board says 4 plastic collection centres each in 5 valley districts to curb the manage of plastic pollution will be opened soon. Conflict Widow Forum stays sit-in demanding justice for victims of fake encounter cases in front of Manipur Press Club today. And Blue Wings Malom take children of 12 children homes for outing. Chief Secretary Suresh Babu calls on need for extra attention for the children's brighter future.